Hi everybody, coconuts grow in tropical countries. The coconut is not actually a nut, but is in fact a drupe. Every part of the coconut can be used by humans in some way and has significant economic value. Products made from coconut, which can be used as food, fuel, cosmetics, folk remedies, and building materials, will surprise you. In our video, we are talking about what is produced from coconuts in factories. Some of the products produced will work for you. Especially the coconut peat used for agriculture is incredible. Please subscribe and like the video. Now let's move on to our video. Coconut harvest and shell removal. Coconuts are grown in hot and humid tropical climates. The two most common harvesting methods are the climbing method and the pole method. This pole method is safer and faster than the climbing method. This is how the coconut shell is peeled to be used for commercial production. Cocoa peat production. Cocoa peat is produced from cocoa ore, which is simply the pith layer surrounding the shell of a coconut. In recent years, it has been used as an excellent plant growing medium. The coconut shells that come to the factory are processed in this way and become ready to be cocoa peat. Cocoa peat can be used in many areas such as greenhouses, nurseries, hydroponics, and floriculture applications. Cocoa peat is extremely absorbent. It is also excellent at retaining water and can also release it slowly so your plant can absorb it better. Cocoa peat provides the perfect environment to keep your plants healthy due to its antifungal properties. It's also mold resistant, which helps protect your plants from disease and prevent root rot as they grow. Milk, oil, flour, water, and other products. A wide variety of products can be obtained from coconut. These include milk, cream, oil, powder, water, copra, dried flakes, and more. The coconut shell is relatively hard, but can be broken. Because its shell is hard, it can be used as an ingredient to make craftworks. There are many coconut palms on the coasts of Indonesia, India, America, South Sudan, Bangladesh, and Tanzania. People of this area use coconut milk in cooking. Women use coconut oil as oil for their hair. Coconuts arriving at the factory are first processed and their interior is reached. Then they are thrown into the machines according to the product to be produced. The flesh of a coconut is white and can be eaten raw or used in cooking. It is used in many of the foods we eat for flavor. The concept of coconut water and coconut milk is confused by many. Coconut milk is obtained by pressing grated coconut meat. It is used for cooking various dishes. The fat found in coconut milk is less than in coconut cream. Coconut milk can be diluted to create coconut milk beverages. These have much lower fat content and are suitable as milk substitutes. If there are any of you who love coconut milk, write them in the comments. As you can see, even ice cream is produced from coconut. Coconut is a very nutritious, fortifying, and fattening food. Coconut has high-quality protein content containing all amino acids. It is also rich in potassium, sodium, magnesium, and sulfur. The energy values of dried coconut are quite high. A ripe dried coconut is also effective in the treatment of excess acid problems in the stomach and provides relief to the patient. Coconut flour has also been developed for use in baking to combat malnutrition. Coconut oil is commonly used in cooking, especially for frying. It can be used in liquid form like other vegetable oils or in solid form like butter. Coconut fiber mat and coconut rope. Coconut fiber offers an environmentally friendly alternative to produce many product types. Wonderful products such as wicker rugs and rope are produced from coconut fiber. Humanity has made the most of the coconut resource until now. They have consistently come up with a variety of coconut-related products. In 2020, world production of coconuts was 62 million tons, led by Indonesia, India, and the Philippines, with 75% combined of the total.